Project of Market. We choose this project because it seemed interesting and wanted to try if we could make a market with a modern concept. The market is an institution board of local trade organizations, traders, and brokers. That being their number considerably and therefore their main activity for a municipality is given a place at adequate mobility and assurance. So, the starting point is fixed premises that is nationally endowed. The market not intended for specific terms. This is the type of commodity to be sold. It may perishable and imperishable. This paper will discuss who was that, where were designed, every detail of the our project, and in order what was made explain the areas in which it will distribute the hallways in the design of the interior space and architectural details on the facade, the structure and facilities.
The main purpose is a market like those in Curaçao, but with a different design and more current will have all the comforts and people who fans to visit and can spend the time and enjoy doing their shopping. When analyzing where it would be convenient to locate our project, we started to analyze each area of Huracán divided by sectors until we choose the most convenient. This project is located on the route San Alona. We choose the area because it is very commercial and because it is near a residential area where people have to travel several kilometers on the route to go to buy everything they need.
Distribution area. The market is a place where you buy the products you need from the point of view of the economy. The market is where buyers and sellers meet and determine where prices of goods and services through behavior on the supply and demand. This project has different distribution areas. The first one is the zone where there are butchers, pottery, flowers, fruits, and vegetables. The second one is the semi-wet zone. There are a snack area and bakeries. The last one is the dry zone. Are there shoes store, clothing store, ATMs, and pharmacy.
Main access, vestibules, and corridors. For main access in the dry zone, there were shoe stores, boutiques, stationery, etc. The analysis of the problem is an important way to start the design process and is directed to locate the main elements that are able to reduce different problems to project. When designing this project, I thought it had to be a place that your customers and offer comfort for sellers who will share there several hours a day. So each site was adapted for that purpose and also taking into account the different activities to be undertaken within it and likewise circulation area, spacious and comfortable. So that the time when people are buying vegetables in the corridor, they also can pass the other people in comfort without getting hung up. At the time we decided that using a mind map to put everything I want our project will in order to make a good design with your ultimate goals.
Rooms, interior designs, and architectonic details. The premises are suitable for different types of areas. They are also distributed in a way that people can move comfortably, just as the vendors. The open area of the market is located outside the wind area and dry area. The sun is in the dry zone in the middle where the entrance to the constants. to give a nice view from the inside market. The area of table has an area of outside of the area. Some of the customers who want to eat and go with more time and enjoy meals are prepared there.
Open spaces, exterior and urban change. The concept where it's located is a commercial area and nearby are houses. We did well to locate there for people who live out there can go without having go to center. Has an open space where guests can dine or relax there. Also has parking and the strange and exit of
Facade and architectonic goods. When the site wanted to make a minimalist concept, so that Proyect had a concept of model, but what other markets that currently exist in Culiacan. The term minimalist is more general, reference to anything that has been reduced to essential, stripped of excess stuff, is the tendency to reduce to essential. It also means to simplify everything a minimum. The home front glass is mostly for blemishes, which are shown at the part without open in the area at the so-called more modern facade. At the location of our facade, put parking for customers for convenient goodwill wish, the local flooring in ATM, but no is too large. Cool is what it had that because its ground is what in
structural and constructive systems. For this project, we decided to use the traditional construction system, with walls made of brick and reinforced concrete. The slab is flat and lightweight. We decided to use the system because it is the most common and very resistant to this type of building. Also, we believe it was appropriate to place some columns inside for better weight distribution of the slab. Concrete, artificial materials used in engineering, which is obtained by mixing Portland cement, water, some coarse materials such as gravel and other refinement, and a small amount of air. Foundation. The foundation is part of the structure that enables transmission of the rods, acting towards the floor or into the underlying rock. When solids or loads of the structure are compressed to a greater or lesser degree and produce sediments of the various elements of the foundation and consequently of the whole structure. During the design, said elements must control both absolute and different sediments.
Site. Depending on the location and characteristics on the strating resist flooring. Foundations are classified and deep foundation flooring among the highland flooring, conveyor flooring, foundation beam and the foundation slab. Among the deep foundation piles are commonly used precast piles, cast, and in place cast and caisson.